Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are all doing good. Okay, you guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make banana pancake. Yes, so you guys, the first thing I do is I just cut my banana. I go ahead and cut my banana into smaller pieces, then I mash it together. Yeah, so you can use blender, but I'm not using blender because I'm just making it small. It's not too, I'm not making a lot of pancake. The banana is just one, and I don't want to like waste it or something. So the second thing I added my egg. Then I stir it together. I stir the egg and everything. I stir it together. So the next thing I'll be adding vanilla a flavor. It gives extra like this taste. You guys understand vanilla flavor? Vanilla with sugar. So I'm adding it. Then I'm adding sugar, all the ingredients. I'm adding sugar, then milk. I also add, you can use melted butter. You can do double boiler, or you can use oil, like cooking oil. But my own case, I had cooking oil. I even forget to show you guys when I was adding cooking oil. Okay, so the next thing I had my all-purpose flour. Then I stir it together. Yeah, I added milk. Yes, of course, pancake need milk. So then I stir it together. So that is that. You guys can see this is me stirring it together. Don't mind if it has lumps. When you are making it on the fire, the lumps will disappear. Okay. So the next thing, I just set my frying pan on fire. Then I use oil spray, like I put oil just to make it smooth and it will just come out well. It will not be sticky. Yeah, so this is me. I'm trying to change it. Okay. Then you do the you when you see that it's done, you change flip it to the other side. Yeah, we are looking it must be like golden brown. Okay. Yeah, this is the first one I do. I love it. You guys should just um try this recipe. Try banana pancake. It's into the taste, like it's to me it ain't different. The taste ain't different. You guys see? So this is the third part I'm doing. Third part. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do support me by subscribing. Uh, and we have a lot of stuff to share together on this channel. Okay, this year let's grow this channel beautifully. Okay, so you guys just repeat the same method. I'm just trying to repeat the same method. When it is golden brown, you flip it to the other side and you remove it. That's all. Just the banana make it taste different from the normal pancake, and I loved the taste, everything. I love it. Okay, so you guys should try it out and tell me on the comment section whenever you try it out. Tell me how you feel. Maybe it's different or something, because here, oh my goodness, I love it. I love it, you guys. So you guys, I'm done. We are done. I'm just adding onion. Yeah. I use strawberry to garnish it. Then I use onion. Okay. You guys can see the you guys can see it now. Like it came out well, and I'm loving it. If you guys taste it, oh my goodness, you will love it. Just try it out.